In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your XM5 wirelessly on a MacBook is super simple. You will be able to connect it and listen to all of the audio being output on that specific device on the XM5. Keep in mind that the general instructions that I give you in this video are also going to apply for any other device that supports Bluetooth, so an iPhone for example. So all that you have to do is first make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device of choice. So head over to the settings and find Bluetooth. So in this example here, I have a MacBook and an iPhone. Just go over to the Bluetooth category and make sure that this option is ticked on. You can do the same on an iPhone or any other device. Once Bluetooth has been enabled, you now have to set your XM5s into pairing mode. So to do this, usually the first time that you power it on, it will go into pairing mode automatically. But if it doesn't, press and hold the power button for around 5 seconds. When you hold this down for approximately 5 seconds, you will see some sort of LED indicator flash telling you that they are now in pairing mode. So if you look under the list of available devices, on the specific device with Bluetooth capabilities, you will be able to find the Sony XM5. And all that you have to do is choose the option to connect or tap on their names. Immediately upon doing this, the connection will be established and you will listen to all of the audio being output on that device on the XM5 instead. You can control the volume, you can mute, and you can consider downloading the Sony app to customize your experience more, although this is completely optional. And as long as they remain connected, you will be able to use them without any issues. If they ever run out of battery, then you will have to plug them in to charge. They will automatically disconnect, and the next time that you power them on, they should automatically pair themselves back up. So you only need to do the manual pairing process once, and then they will be good to go for the future. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.